Welcome to Wheel Check Review. When it comes to motorhomes that redefine the meaning of luxury, power, and futuristic design, the 2026 Kenworth T1000 Motorhome is in a league of its own. Built on the backbone of one of the most legendary trucking platforms in the world, this vehicle merges the raw strength of Kenworth engineering with the elegance and comfort of a five-star hotel on wheels. Today, we're going to dive deep into every aspect of this incredible machine, from its exterior presence, interior luxury, driving experience, technology, and everything that makes it stand out in 2026 as one of the most futuristic motorhomes you could ever own. The very first thing that grabs your attention is its commanding exterior. The Kenworth T1000 carries forward the bold and muscular DNA of the brand, but this 2026 version has been redesigned with futuristic aerodynamics and cutting-edge styling. The massive chrome grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and aerodynamic side panels give it a modern yet intimidating presence on the road. Standing tall with a double-floor architecture, it has proportions that demand respect, but at the same time, it manages to look elegant with flowing lines and futuristic paint finishes. Depending on the configuration, you can get this motorhome in a wide range of metallic and matte shades, with optional custom graphics that truly make it your own. Moving towards functionality, the T1000 Motorhome is not just about looks, it's built to be practical for long journeys. It comes equipped with expandable slide-out sections that increase the living space significantly once parked. These hydraulic extensions transform the motorhome into a spacious apartment on wheels. The storage capacity is equally impressive, with massive underfloor compartments, side cargo bins, and even rooftop storage integrated seamlessly. Kenworth has designed this vehicle with travelers in mind, people who want to explore without compromising on what they carry along. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a world of unmatched luxury. The interior feels like a futuristic penthouse suite, filled with premium materials like Italian leather seating, polished wood finishes, brushed aluminum trims, and customizable ambient lighting. The double-floor layout ensures higher ceilings, making the space feel wide and open. The living room area features a plush sofa set with a smart entertainment center, complete with a 75-inch OLED TV, surround sound, and seamless connectivity for streaming, gaming, or even working remotely. The kitchen is a full-sized gourmet setup, something you don't expect in most motorhomes. It comes with a refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, smart dishwasher, and ample countertop space. For travelers who love to cook, this is a dream setup, and with the advanced power management system, all appliances can run smoothly without draining energy reserves. There's also a smart water purification system on board, ensuring fresh water wherever you travel. The bedroom area feels like something taken straight out of a luxury suite. A king-sized bed with memory foam mattress, climate-controlled environment, and massive panoramic windows make resting an experience in itself. Kenworth has paid attention to every little detail, like noise insulation, blackout blinds, and wireless charging stations built right into the bedside tables. When it comes to bathrooms, this motorhome features not just one but two options depending on the configuration. A spacious full bathroom with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and luxury fittings, as well as a secondary half bath for guests. The technology integration inside is next level, with voice-controlled features, smart glass panels that switch from clear to opaque with a tap, and AI-based lighting adjustments that adapt to your mood and time of day. But a Kenworth is not just about luxury, it's about performance. The 2026 T1000 Motorhome comes powered by a hybrid turbo diesel-electric engine that delivers incredible torque while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. It's built to handle cross-country trips with ease, and thanks to its adaptive suspension and advanced air ride system, the ride feels smooth even on challenging terrains. Drivers will appreciate the state-of-the-art cockpit, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, heads-up display, autonomous driving assistance, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this giant surprisingly easy. One of the highlights of the driving experience is the semi-autonomous driving capability. On highways, the T1000 can manage steering, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control, giving the driver a much-needed break during long journeys. Parking assistance, trailer integration, and stability control are all part of the package, ensuring maximum safety on the road. Energy management is another strong point. With its solar panel-equipped roof, advanced battery storage, and regenerative braking system, the motorhome can stay off-grid for extended periods without needing to hook up to external power. For adventure seekers, this is a game changer. It means you can travel to remote locations and still enjoy all the luxuries without compromise. Connectivity is seamless, with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, satellite communication, and a cloud-based smart home system that lets you control everything from climate to security cameras with your smartphone. The motorhome also integrates with virtual assistants, making it feel like your home ecosystem has simply been extended onto wheels. Safety is a top priority in the T1000. It's equipped with advanced collision avoidance, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even biometric entry for added security. Kenworth has gone all out to make sure owners feel safe and protected no matter where their journey takes them. Perhaps one of the most unique aspects of this motorhome is its customization. Buyers can choose from multiple layouts, interior finishes, technology packages, and even add luxury extras like a rooftop terrace, outdoor kitchen, or integrated garage space for motorcycles or small vehicles. This flexibility makes the T1000 not just a motorhome, but a personalized statement of lifestyle. When we look at the bigger picture, the 2026 Kenworth T1000 Motorhome represents the perfect balance between raw trucking power and refined luxury living. It's designed for families, adventurers, digital nomads, and anyone who refuses to settle for less while traveling. With its futuristic design, unmatched comfort, and cutting-edge technology, this is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a home, and a statement all rolled into one. So whether you're hitting the open highways, exploring remote destinations, or simply enjoying life on the move, the Kenworth T1000 in 2026 ensures that every journey feels extraordinary. It is more than just transportation, it is the future of motorhome luxury brought to life by one of the most respected names in the trucking industry. Would you like me to also time map this script into segments, like 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock exterior, 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock interior, etc., so it fits perfectly into a 15-minute narrated video flow? Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe and click on the bell icon.